Okay, everyone, without further delay, let's get started this amazing course. Okay, so we are going to follow this document. First, we are going to cover the navigation and directory command, then file management command. After that, we will go into the view managing process, permission, file compression, networking, disk usage, system information, package manager, searching, user management, and miscellaneous commands. After that, we will move ahead with the Linux advanced troubleshooting commands, where we will see how, if we want to check the system resources troubleshooting, what are the commands can be useful over there. Then disk and file system troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, process and service troubleshooting, logs and system monitoring, advanced tools, security troubleshooting, and storage troubleshooting. Okay, these are the entire flow that we are going to follow in this course, and I'll try to complete the entire course within 1.5 or 2 hours, so that if you want to learn the Linux command, just watching that 2 hours video, you will be become pro. And this is completely enough for any beginner or mid senior level engineer. If you are looking for the DevOps role, clouds role, system admin role, administrator role, network role, these commands will help you over there, right? And no one will genuinely know such huge commands. But yeah, after watching this video, I take the guarantee you will become the pro in Linux, and you will able to crack any of the interview. Okay, without delay, let's start.